Hello again, everybody. As you can see, the Ranger RHF-618 is on the bench again. This brand new unit is for Fran in Vermont, and this is a tune-up report. Fran, over here on the watt meter, we're looking at a 0 to 10 watt scale. I don't know if I've ever explained it to anyone. On this watt meter, this is a Bird 4410. It doesn't act like a Bird 43, which is only one particular frequency range and one power range. All right? This frequency range, but many power ranges are set right here. And this is how this meter works. So we'll just see how it says that multiply switch setting by element factor. I have an element factor of 10. The switch settings to 1, so that's 1 times 10 is 10. So we're on the 10 watt scale. All the way over here is 10. We're going to be over here around 8. Alright. That's the power. Where's that? Power all the way up. About 8 watts. Power all the way down. About 3.5 watts. I'm working on a modification for that circuit. That's all it'll allow you to do. In order to get that down below 3.5, to get it to be a 1 or a 2 for you guys driving amplifiers, it forces me to lower the top end too. So it won't be 8 anymore, it'll be 6 if you want, 1 or 2 watts. We're working on it. We'll figure something out for that later on. Peak reading watt meter, and that's a 50 watt slug. So we look up here, which one ends in 50 or 5, right there. 50 in the middle. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And the way this thing works, that's just happened to equal the number in the corner, but it could have just as well have been a 500 watt slug. There's no 500 up here, but there's a 50, and we just add a 0. If it was my 1000 watt slug, and we come up here and have the add a 0 to that 100 instead, because it ends in a. So there's 3 types of slugs that are going to end in 25, 50, or 100, or 2, 5, 10, whatever. Okay, enough about that. Right in the middle. 30, 40.
Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, check.
Had the power turned down. Let me turn it up.
Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, 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 check. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, check, check. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, check, check. Audio, 1, 2. Check, check, check.
Okay, we're going to try out. Oh, I went too far. FM.
Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check.
And upper sideband.
Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, 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 check. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, check, check. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, 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 check.
It's about 28 watts there. I was all the way up. And if I turn the power down, all the way.
Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, 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 check. Audio.
Kind of between the 5 and the 10 mark, bouncing around for minimum power on sideband. All right, let's take it. We did a. Let's put it on the air.
How about a screwdriver? How about a screwdriver? You got a copy on a screwdriver? Come on. way you're sure to get an answer, right? Was that Dusty? About his screwdriver? About his screwdriver? You got a copy on screwdriver? Come on.